We are Opus by EpilogueSystems, a digital adoption platform that helps your digital transformation projects not only launch, but truly succeed. Companies spend millions on tools like Workday and Oracle, but if employees don't use them effectively, the ROI disappears. Opus integrates seamlessly with a wide array of enterprise systems, including Workday, Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, Atlassian, and Microsoft Dynamics, ensuring it fits into any IT environment. Opus delivers the right support to the right person at the right time, directly in their workflow. Whether someone's a new hire learning a process or just needs a quick refresher, Opus provides users with everything they need to get their job done with confidence. Imagine I'm a new manager unsure of how to adjust compensation for a direct report. Instead of calling for help, I can use the AI-powered Opus Advisor. It shows step-by-step instructions, guides known as job aids, as well as demo and test simulations. Opus also offers Follow Me live guidance that overlays instructions on your screen, so a task can be completed correctly while you work in real time. Alternatively, you can engage with the chat feature in the Advisor search panel by typing a simple question for answers on the spot. In this example, we'll type in, "How do I adjust compensation?" Content creation is made simple in Opus. Using the Opus Recorder, the system captures actions, screenshots, and steps automatically, spanning multiple applications. The recording can be edited and published instantly. Opus Editor makes it easy to refine instructions, blur sensitive data, and ensure support materials are uniformly formatted without specialized training. Content can then be managed through the Opus Content Manager. You can publish, unpublish, update, and translate content, track versions, and collaborate with a team using built-in project tools. Team-based project workflows gives you the ability to view feedback and documented actions taken to resolve them. High-quality support is consistently provided to users every step of the way. Admins can utilize Opus's built-in analytics and reporting to get data-driven insights, track adoption, content performance, and identify user needs. This ensures the right support stays relevant and effective. Opus empowers organizations to create rapidly, curate confidently, and deliver instantly. That is how digital transformation succeeds. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us today. With Opus, you're equipped to create guided experiences that drive real results. It's time to remove the guesswork and deliver clear, concise content your teams will actually enjoy using and you'll love creating. Let's simplify work together.